For the diploma holders, first year, first semester, we have the paper Engineering Mathematics 1. There are 5 units. The first unit is Algebra. There are 3 topics: determinants, matrices, and binomial theorem. First we are going to see determinants. Before going to see determinants, first we have to some idea about matrices. A rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns enclosed within parenthesis bracket or square bracket. A rectangular array of numbers or entries arranged in rows and columns enclosed within parenthesis bracket or square bracket. The horizontal entries are called rows. It is denoted by the symbol R. The vertical entries are called columns. It is denoted by the symbol C. Here 2 rows R1, R2, 3 columns C1, C2, C3. Next, order. A matrix is said to be of order M cross N. A matrix is said to be of order M cross N, that it has M rows and N columns. Next, square matrix. Suppose the number of rows equal to the number of columns, then the matrix is said to be a square matrix. For example, a square matrix is said to be of order M. It has M rows and N columns. The matrix has no value. The matrix has no value. Right. Now determinants. Determinants means a square matrix enclosed within 2 vertical lines. Enclosed within 2 vertical lines. First, we are going to find 2 cross 2 determinant. Determinant has an associated value with the entries. Matrix has no value. Determinant has an associated value with the entries. Let delta is equal to A, B, C, D. The value of the determinant is AD minus BC. First, multiply the diagonal elements A into D. Then put a sign minus. Then multiply the off diagonal elements B and C. For example, the value of the determinant is 1 into 4, 4 minus 2 into 3, 6. This is equal to minus 2. First multiply the diagonal elements 1 and 4. Then immediately put the sign minus. Then multiply off diagonal elements 2 and 3. So 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. Example number 2. 1 minus 2, 3, 4. the value of the determinant equal to, so 1 into 4, put a sign minus, then multiply minus 2 and 3, minus 6, about 4 plus 6, this equal to 10, 1 minus 2, my 3, minus 3, 4. The value of the determinant equal to 4, put a sign minus, multiply minus 2 and minus 3, so plus 6, this equal to 4 minus 6, this equal to minus 2. Next we are going to see 3 cross 3 determinant. So consider the determinant 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5, 6, 2, minus 3, 1. This is equal to 1 into 2 cross 2 determinant minus 2 into 2 cross 2 determinant plus 3 into 2 cross 2 determinant. By regarding this first row, so the first element 1, first column marachachina 5, 6, minus 3, 1, then put a sign minus, second column marachina minus 4, 6, 2, 1. Plus 3 into minus 4, 5, 2 minus 3. Then again we follow the 2 cross 2 determinant, 1 into 5 minus 18, plus 18, minus 2 into minus 4 minus 12, plus 3 into minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 minus 2 into 5 into 2, 10. So 1 into 23 minus 2 into minus 16 plus 3 into 2. So 23 plus 32 plus 6. This is equal to 61. Example number 2. The value of the determinant equal to 2 into 2 cross 2 determinant. Put a sign minus. Here the number is minus 3. अब automatically plus 3, 1 plus 4 into 2 cross 2 determinant. Right. So 2 into 2 minus 5, 4, 3. 1 minus 5 minus 6, 3. 1, 2 minus 6, 4. Here the number is minus 3. Therefore, minus of minus plus 3. So 2 into 6 minus 20, therefore plus 20. Plus 3 into 3 minus 6 into minus 5 plus 30. So minus as it is. Plus 4 into 4 minus 12. So plus 12. 2 into 26 plus 3 into minus 27 plus 4 into 16. So 52. 3 into minus 27. So minus plus 64 is equal to minus 81, 35. Find the value of x if the determinant x 3, 4, 2 equal to 0. Right. Solution. So given x 3, 4, 2 equal to 0. This implies x into 2, 2x, put a sign minus, 3 into 4, 12, this equal to 0. This implies 2x equal to 12. This implies x is equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. Example number 2. Find the value of x if the determinant x 4, 9, x equal to 0. So given x 4, 9, x equal to 0, this implies x into x, x square minus 36 equal to 0. This implies x square equal to 36. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 6. Right. Next, find the value of x if the determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, x, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is equal to 0. Solution. So given 1, 2, 3, 4, x, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is equal to 0. By expanding this determinant, this implies 1 into or 2 cross 2 determinant. Second element minus, so number is 2. 2 cross 2 determinant plus 3 into 2 cross 2 determinant. This is equal to 0. First row பொறுத்து expand பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அந்த காலத்தை அழைச்சிட்டோம்னா x 6, 8, 9 minus 2 into இதை மறைச்சாச்சுன்னா 4, 6, 7, 9 plus 3 into இதை மறைச்சாச்சுன்னா 4x, 7, 8. This implies 1 into x into 9, 9x minus 6 into 8, 48 minus 2 into 4 into 9, 36 minus 6 into 7, 42 plus 3 into 4 into 8, 32 minus 7x equal to 0. Here x, this is a constant, so we don't add or subtract. So multiply by 1, so 9x minus 48. Here these two are constants, integers. So 36 minus 42 minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12. Here integer x. So we can't add or subtract. So multiply by 3. So 3 into 32, 96. 3 into minus 7x minus 21x, this is equal to 0. So 9x here to minus 21x. These two are added. So 9 minus 21 minus 12x. Here constants minus 48 plus 12, 96. So 96, 108 minus 48, about 60 equal to 0. So minus 12x is equal to minus 60. So cancel minus on both sides. So x is equal to 60 by 12 equal to 5. ஸோ எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5. இப்போ இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம வந்து 2x2 டிடர்மினன்ட் 3x3 டிடர்மினன்ட் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுறதை பார்த்தோம். ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா? ரைட். இப்போ அடுத்த கிளாஸில் வந்து by using the method of determinants solving the equations by using Cramer's rule.